Have you just received a new Windows 11 update called KB5101650? Should you install it immediately or should you wait? Okay, today's update is much more important because Microsoft has included several security improvements, fixed multiple annoying bugs, expanded secure boot certificates deployment, and even issued an important warning for some Dell users. So let's get started. This update is the latest cumulative security update released on July 14, 2026 for Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2. As always, this update combines new security patches, bug fixes, performance improvements, everything that was included in June's preview update. So if you skipped last month's preview release, you will automatically receive all those improvements with this update. Before you rush to install the update, Microsoft has announced one important issue. The update has been temporarily blocked for a limited number of Dell computers that use Intel Innovation Platform Framework, also known as Intel IPF drivers. According to Microsoft, there's an incompatibility between the update and one Intel component. Affected PCs could experience different power behavior, performance changes, and unexpected system behavior. The good news is Microsoft is already preparing a fix, and affected device should receive the update within the next few days. So if your Dell PC isn't showing the update yet, don't panic. It's most likely an intentional safeguard. The major change is the release involves secure boot certificates. Many Windows Secure Boot certificates started expiring in June 2026. Microsoft has already been updating this certificate through Windows Update for months. This new update expands that rollout even further. If your PC hasn't received the new certificates yet, your computer will still boot normally and Windows Update will continue working. However, Microsoft will continue delivering updated certificates over the coming months to ensure devices remain protected. For most users, this process is completely automatic. Microsoft has published a very detailed support article for this update, and it includes a lot of technical information, deployment guidance, servicing stack details, file information, installation methods, and documentation that's mainly intended for IT administrators and enterprise environments. I'm not going to read or explain every single point from that page because it would make this video unnecessarily long, and honestly, most home users don't need to know every technical detail. Instead, I'm focusing on the features, fixes, security improvements, known issues, and announcements that actually affect the majority of Windows users. If you are an IT professional, system administrator, or someone who wants to dive deeper into every change, including deployment instructions, servicing stack updates, dynamic update requirements, file lists, group policy guidance, and other technical documentation, I highly recommend checking the official Microsoft support page. It's regularly updated and contains all the detailed information directly from Microsoft. Now, if you are wondering how to install the update, the process is very simple. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. From there, go to Windows Update on the left hand side. Once you are on the Windows Update page, click the Check for Updates button. If your device is eligible for the rollout, Windows will automatically detect KB5101650. Download it in the background and begin preparing it for installation. Depending on your internet speed and your PC's hardware, the download and installation process may take a few minutes. After the installation is complete, Windows will usually ask you to restart your computer. Make sure you save any open files and close your applications before restarting. Once your PC reboots, the update will be fully installed, and you will be running the latest Windows 11 security update with all the new fixes and improvements we have discussed in this video. If you don't see the update immediately, don't worry. Microsoft often rolls out updates gradually, so it may take a little time before it becomes available for your device. And remember, if you own one of the affected Dell systems with Intel IPF drivers, Microsoft has temporarily paused the rollout until the compatibility issue is resolved. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.